Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk, where we dive deep into the innovation and the challenges that come with technology at the cutting edge. Today, we're exploring a fascinating project called rayhunter, an IMC catcher designed specifically for the Orbic RC400L mobile hotspot. Now, before we delve in, I want to emphasize that this is a proof of concept and should not be used in high-risk situations. So what is rayhunter? Well, it's essentially a tool built to detect when IMSI catchers, devices that intercept mobile phone signals, are in the vicinity. It's a nifty piece of technology that empowers users to have more control over their mobile communications. Let's break down what this means for the average user. First, let's talk about the hardware requirements. rayhunter has been primarily built and tested for the Orbic RC400L, but there's potential for it to work with other devices. My question is, why would you invest in this specific hotspot? It's often referred to jokingly as using Bezos bucks, but really, it's about getting the right device to run this software. An interesting thought here. Imagine if we could arm ourselves with more knowledge and tools to safeguard our privacy in an increasingly surveillant world. How empowering would that be? Now, moving on to installation. For those of you who aren't tech wizards, don't worry. The installation process is pretty straightforward, but it does require a bit of manual intervention. Just to set the scene, you'd first download the rayhunter bundle and then connect your Orbic device to your computer via USB. After running a few scripts, voila, rayhunter is up and running. What's really cool about rayhunter is the web interface it offers. Users can start and stop recordings, download data captures, and view analyses, all from a user-friendly UI. It's all about getting real insights into your communication environment, but let's not ignore the challenges too. There are still questions about whether you need an active SIM card for it to work effectively. Have you ever wondered what happens when you get a positive signal on rayhunter? There's a bit of a technical adventure here. It can indicate a potential threat. You might want to turn off your phone or switch it to airplane mode if that happens. It's a little like playing a game of cat and mouse, right? One of the biggest takeaways here is being proactive rather than reactive. So rayhunter isn't just a one-size-fits-all product. It's a tool that, with the right experimentation and research, could potentially be adapted across various devices, which is exciting. Here's another interesting thought. If you already own an unlocked device, it may take a bit of tinkering, but you could expand the tool's capabilities further. Have any of you out there ever tried that? And let's face it, while this tech is mostly aimed at enthusiasts and researchers, it does raise essential questions about privacy and surveillance, especially as our devices become more connected. Before we wrap up, I'd like to leave you with this. As we move forward in an age where technology often outpaces regulation, how can we stay informed and protected? What steps can we take to cultivate a culture of awareness around our digital rights? Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Tech Talk. Remember to prioritize your privacy, stay curious, and keep pushing the boundaries of what technology can do for you. Until next time, happy hunting.